Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can add a photo overlay in CapCut. So first, you want to prepare your video and photo, and you want to drag your video into the timeline. Alright, and you also want to drag your photo into the timeline. Okay, so now you want to adjust your photo into the part that you want the photo to be. For example, I'm gonna put it here. Now I'm just gonna click on this photo. Now I'm just gonna click on this photo, and you can actually resize it and reposition it whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna put it here, and you can actually go to animation, and there will be a lot of animation here. I'm gonna choose this one, and as you can see, now if I play it, it will have a little animation going on. So that's how you photo overlay in CapCut. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.